If your cats have a habit of sitting in the washing machine, it's important to address it both for their safety and to prevent any potential damage. Here's how you might approach the situation. Check before use. Always open the washing machine door and check inside before starting a load. Close the door. Keep the washing machine door closed when it's not in use to prevent the cats from getting inside. Provide alternatives like cozy beds or cat trees to discourage them from using the washing machine as a resting place. Secure the area. If possible, consider the laundry room door. Cats often find unusual places to sit, and the washing machine can be a tempting spot due to its enclosed space and warmth. However, it's important to ensure they don't accidentally get hurt. If a cat is regularly sitting in the washing machine, you might want to keep the door closed or providing alternative cozy spots for them. Must subscribe and hit the bell icon for more watchful video. Don't skip the video.